Imagine a full computer that can fit in your pocket. Sounds unbelievable, right? But today I'm going to show you a device that actually makes it possible. This tiny board is the Raspberry Pi, and the model I'm using here is the Raspberry Pi 3 Model B+. Even though it looks small, it's powerful enough to run a full operating system, handle programming, control electronics projects, and even work as a mini server. For this setup, I've built a small, mini CPU-style system using the Raspberry Pi. I've also attached a cooling fan and proper power supply to keep the board stable during long usage. The fan helps maintain temperature, especially when the processor is under load. Now let's talk about the specifications of this board. The Raspberry Pi 3B+ comes with a 1.4 GHz quad-core processor, 1 GB RAM, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and multiple connectivity options. You also get USB ports for keyboard and mouse, an HDMI port for monitor output, Ethernet for networking, and a micro SD card slot which acts as the main storage of the system. Speaking of storage, the operating system installed here is Raspberry Pi OS, which is based on Linux. This operating system is lightweight, stable, and specially optimized for the Raspberry Pi hardware. Now if we take a closer look at the board design, you'll notice several important components. At the center we have the main processor. On the side we have USB ports and the HDMI output. There is also an Ethernet port for wired internet. And one of the most interesting parts is the GPIO header, which allows this board to interact directly with electronic components like sensors, LEDs, motors, and many robotic systems. Because of these features, the Raspberry Pi is widely used in many real-world applications. Students use it for learning programming and electronics. Engineers use it for rapid prototyping. And hobbyists use it for projects like home automation, IoT systems, robotics, and even small servers. Another big advantage of this device is the budget. Compared to a traditional computer, the Raspberry Pi is very affordable, yet it provides huge learning and project building possibilities. Thanks to the fan and proper power supply I've added, the board stays cool even under heavy load. This makes it perfect for running longer projects or multiple applications without slowing down. On the desktop, you can see Raspberry Pi OS running smoothly. It comes with pre-installed tools for programming, file management, web browsing, and networking. You can even install software like editors, media players, or IoT tools directly from the built-in package manager. One of the most useful things about this board is its connectivity. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can connect to the internet, pair devices, or even control your projects wirelessly. This makes it ideal for home automation, robotics, or any project where cables can be limiting. The compact size, low power consumption, and affordability make it a perfect budget-friendly option for students, hobbyists, and professionals alike. You can build a mini media server, run a lightweight cloud, or control electronics projects, all without spending a fortune. So overall, the Raspberry Pi 3B+ shows that small devices can do big things. With the right setup, fan, and power supply, this tiny board can become the core of your projects, experiments, or learning adventures. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what project you would build using a Raspberry Pi. Stay tuned for more tech experiments, and I'll see you in the next video.